The difference between 6 and 12 is 6. Between 12 and 21, it is 9. 21 and 33, the difference is 12. So the next difference has to be 15. The difference is increasing by 3. 6 se 9 ho gaya. From 6, it became 9. From 9, it has become 12. So 3, it is increasing by 3. So 12 plus 3, 15 difference. So last number is 33 plus 15. So our answer is 48. Now, this slide is over. We'll go on to the next slide. So is that clear? If you want to click a photo also, you can take a picture of this because this will go off now. Now, you may have a doubt. Sir, such easy questions, are they going to ask us in foundation and in CS? The answer is yes. All these questions, I have not made those questions. These questions are taken from your study material itself. This type of questions comes there in the exam. Okay. More difficult will come because we are starting with the sums right now. First 4 are over. Easy one there. So let's go on to the next one. The screen will go off. The next screen will come now. Question number 5. It says 2, 5, 9, 14, question mark, 27. You have again 15 seconds to do it. Yes, here it goes. The difference is between 2 and 5 is 3. Between 5 and 9, 4. 4 and 19. Sorry, 9 and 14 is 5. So the next difference will be 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 14 plus 6, 20. Now confirm the 27 comes there or not. 20. What will be the next difference? 7. So 20 plus 7, 27. So it is telling. So our answer is 20. The missing number in the series is 20. Next one. Again, you have those 15 seconds. Yes, I hope you are ready with the answers. They are easy. You should get right out. Sir, answer denge ho jayega nahi. You have to do it. The difference is 5, 10, question mark, 25. So the missing differences will be 15 and 20. So your number before question mark is 21. 21 plus difference 15, it is 36. Then whatever I'm showing in the bracket, that is telling with the next number also. The next difference is 36 plus 20, which is 56. And then 56 plus 25 will be 81. So I'm telling also. Okay. The next question. Here, the explanation. Difference between 18 and 10, that is 10 and 18 is 8. Second number minus the first number. Okay, 28 minus 18 is 10. Then the next difference is 12, 14. So what will be the next difference? 8, 10, 12, 14. Are you getting it? 14, 16, 18. So missing difference is 16 and 18. So 54 is the number before question mark. It is 54. 54 plus the first difference is 16. 54 plus 16 is 70. Now, if you want to find out the further bracket, it says 70 plus 18 is 88. So our answer is 70. I've underlined that answer. The next. Everyone tried out. Now explanation. The difference, always I'll do the second number minus the first number. So this time it is 99 minus 120. Okay, so the difference is minus 21. Question mark, then minus 15, minus 13. Look at it, minus 21, question mark, minus 15, minus 13. you may see that minus 15, minus 13, there is a difference of 2. So is minus 19. Minus 19 plus 2 is 17. Therefore, 99 is the number before question mark minus the difference is 19. So 99 minus 19. So you will get 80. The difference is not positive this time. The difference was negative. The difference can be positive. The difference can be negative. And difference was increasing by 2. 21 plus 2 is minus 19. Plus 2 is minus 17. Again, 4 question. So this screen is getting over. Again, if you want to take any pick or anything, you can always take. So let's go on to the next one. That is another 4 questions before we stop. We'll stop then. We'll take any doubts if you have then. I hope you are finding this easy. Find out the answer. Here comes the explanation. The difference is 2, 4, 8, question mark, question mark. Missing difference will be 16 and 32. 2 ka double 4, 4 double 8. 8 ka double is 16, 16 ka double is 32. So our number is 36. Before question mark, it is 36. 36 plus 16. That comes to 52. And then 52 plus.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट। प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, एसवाईजेसी, कॉम, टीवाईबी कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ। चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट। कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें। और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान। इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक। तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी।
52 plus 32 is 84. Next. Yes, don't be afraid because the number is big. Use our technique. You should keep your calculators ready. Calculators are allowed in the exam. Up till now it was small numbers. This is a little bigger numbers. Try out. I'm giving you 15 more seconds. 30 seconds I'm giving. Half a minute. Here it is. The first difference is 1008. Second difference is 1008. Third difference is 1008. So next difference will be 1008. So 7856 plus 1008. And it comes to 8864. Calculators are allowed in the exam. Do use calculators. Okay, quite easy. क्या हो जाता है normally looking at big numbers you get afraid. It was big numbers, it was simple. The next one. This you should get similar series. We have done today itself. सबको आना चाहिए 100%. Yes. The difference is 90, 100, 110, 120. So next difference will be 130. Therefore 430 plus 130, that comes to 560. And then comes the last one. 28, 33, 31, 36, 34. Easy it is. डरने का नहीं. देखो क्या हो गया, डिफरेंस क्या क्या है. 28 and 33, 5. 33 and 31, -2. 31 and 36, 5. 36 and 34, -2. So the next difference has to be 5. So 34 plus 5, 39. Next number will be 39 minus 2, that is 37. Okay. Before we stop, take this questions. This is again you want to take. Question number 13 I am displaying, I am not displaying answer. आप लोग सोचेंगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आने से पहले कि इसका आंसर क्या होगा 13 का. एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन होमवर्क दे रहा हूं. आपके कुछ डाउट्स रहेंगे तो भी अपन इसके बाद ले लेंगे. Next lecture timing will be message to you. Okay. Here, question number 13. I'm not giving answer. I'm not giving explanation. Take down the question. बाकी क्वेश्चन नहीं लिख ले, एक क्वेश्चन लिख लो, सोचो इसके ऊपर. 120, 8080, 4040, 45, question mark 5. Yes. Any doubts? Please type any doubts. I hope it was easy. So there should not be any doubts. Questions will be sent to your PDF files. I'll make sure before your next lecture you get PDF. PDF is ready with me. I'll forward it to Vikas sir and then or to Evan, and then they will forward it to each one of you. Questions I'm talking about, and then there are answers also in that, but explanation is not there. Any doubts? I can see few students whom I know. One is Mercy. Any doubt? If Adrian is there, Adrian, any doubt? Yeah, Adrian is typing. No. Okay. So one question I'm giving you homework. Think over it. Don't try from here and there. Don't ask anyone. You yourself think over it. Next lecture, I'll give you explanation. Timing will be announced to you. It will be messaged to you. Okay. Most probably it will be in the evening. Okay. So I hope no doubts here in LR series, number series. So let's wind up. Bye. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Anything if you want to type, you can. Otherwise, I'll conclude.